Hello, hello, and welcome back to Jillies Nails. Today I'm doing something fun and different, and it's inspired by another nail blogger. I can't remember who it is right now, I'll tag them later. Um, this is an old mani, that's why I was making the icky face. And I talked about a problem I had with French manicures that you can see in this in my January Maniology box video. See how my white nail line shows? It drives me crazy. And the new Maniology box fixed that. So anyway, I'll link that above so you can take a look at it. But what we're going to do today, I guess I could have told you that, is make some nail vinyls. They're expensive. If you've ever looked up nail vinyl prices online, they're really kind of expensive. And this this is the problem I had. My darling husband, whom I love very much, ran into the store to get me tape. I said, "Get me painter's tape," and he did. But he got quick release painter's tape, which does not get along well with parchment paper. And so it kept peeling up. This does work. I have done this technique before and made striping tape and that kind of stuff, so I know it works. It's just because it was the quick release tape. So do not buy quick release tape for this. Get regular painter's tape and either wax paper or parchment paper. So what we're doing is I'm just going through and making stripes because you can actually just do row after row after row of these. If you lay the line across the top like I did and then make, horizontal lines or perpendicular lines coming down off of it, you can just take your scissors and cut all the way up to the line that goes horizontally and go through each line and just click, 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 stamp, stamp, stamp. So these are paper punches. This is I don't even know I don't know if it's Japanese, Thailand, I don't know. It's an Asian country. I don't know which one the language is. I don't, I can't read it. I'm sorry. But I got these off of Amazon. I don't love them. They could be a lot better. A lot of them are really hard to press down. So if you're going to do this and you think, like, if you use nail vinyls a lot, I would actually recommend you go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or someplace like that and go ahead and spend the money to get a quality stamp in the designs that you like. And you can buy chevron scissors. I'll show you that tutorial. I'll have linked for you at the end of this video because she does a really cute job of making chevrons and diagonal cuts and all kinds of cool vinyls and things, because these things add up. They get really expensive. Even just like chevron striping tape, if you go buy it in a store, it's freaking expensive. You can make it for a couple dollars yourself with this technique. So use your imagination. You can go as far as you want with this. As you see, I am like really mashing the crap out of that to get it to go through, and it got stuck. So it's really these particular stamps. Um, but again, I know this works. I do get it to work in this video, so don't think the whole video is a fail. It's not. The technique does work. At the end, it just got lucky because I finally was like, ah, I can't keep messing with this tape. It's making me nuts. On the whole, it stayed down. And if you had a problem like that, I suppose you could use clothespins or something to hold it while you're doing your cuts. But what you can do is once you've actually got a shape cut out that you like, just take some scissors. This is just messy because I'm doing it for the purposes of showing you on the video. But there, I have a nail vinyl. There it is. That quick and easy. I mean, I made probably 10 or 20 of these in the amount of time it took me to film the video. It's no big deal. You just make sure you press it down really hard and make sure you put it on top of a quick dry top coat that is dry all the way. If it is not dry, you will smudge or rip your nail polish off. But just press it down firmly, paint over it quickly, and then lift it up. Don't leave it on there any longer than you have to because it will kind of stick and make the edges rough and you'll get little lips and weird things. But that's the same technique as any other nail vinyl. So again, I am going to go ahead and link that other video below for the girl who does the chevrons and the striping tape and all of that. Don't use the quick release painter's tape. Not with parchment paper, it's no good. Don't use these stamps. Go get some quality ones from Hobby Lobby or paper punches. I think you'll find the process a lot easier. Cheaper's not always better. Sometimes it is. Hey, I'm all about some frugal shopping. Sometimes it's great, but sometimes it's not so good either. This one actually worked fairly easily, even though it looks like a cat quake. That's not. It was a mom quake. But see, I got a little snowflake out of that, so it came out cute. Let me know what you think of this idea. Thanks for watching. See you soon.